sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So we have a Mustang. Let's see if it does Mustang things. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, spinning. Usually this is bad. Oh, it's a Cobra, so everything's good. It's not a Mustang. And as you can see, he didn't wreck. Or she. This is one sweet three-wheeler. I'm pretty sure it has Hoosier tires on the back. That's crazy. Good thing this was a video game, not real life, so that person's perfectly fine because it's a video game. That's the new GTA, guys. You can tell by how good the graphics are. Yellow C6 Vet, not much better to want or ask for. You know, one of these 360 cameras is a must-have, honestly. Total 30 seconds after getting a new Supercharger. And yes, I know you guys can read, but I'm just narrating. You know, I thought it was going to be some kind of funny joke, but let's just let the video play out for itself. Super unfortunate. Hopefully they're alright. You know, it's really unfortunate because it's probably that dude's fault. I mean, because he was speeding. Granted, the dude did, or she did pull out in front of him, but the dude's doing 80 miles an hour probably. Like, not going to be able to win that argument, I'm afraid. Not a Mopar fan, but that is pretty sweet. I will admit. You know, if money was like just everywhere, big money, Trackhawk would be a must-have. And then if I had like really big stacks, a GTR like that would be spot on. Put in the comments if you would treat your Trackhawk like this. I for sure would not. Well, it depends on if I got like money, and then I wouldn't mind, but that's not the case, so I definitely wouldn't mind. I wish my blower sounded like that. That thing sounds insane. He gave him a little love tap. Alright, take your pick. ZR1 or ZR6? ZR1 for sure. I mean, ZR6 might sound better, but a ZR1 is like the best car ever made. I'm pretty sure the ZR6 does sound better, but the ZR1 is just something else.
I tell you what's wrong with it. I ain't got no gas in it.
Drop in and just smack the lip. Wow. Drop down.
Oh, pow. Definitely a concussion in there, guys' future. This guy, this is what it's like to get hit by a stun in the new Call of Duty. This as well. You know, it's funny that these people know that this is happening, they're just recording it. You can't be mad at them. It is quite entertainment. Man, he's seen it too and still hit it. Yeah, that wasn't that bad. Imagine the person in the back getting worked on. They just got absolutely stabbed, probably, by a syringe in the IV.
Oh, shit.
You know, these trucks are a lot cooler when they're two-wheel drive and lowered. You know, I respect it. Dude didn't run somebody over. Takeovers are kind of lame, but you know, V3 is pretty sick, but for that 60-something grand or 70, I'd much rather just get a G8 or an SS sedan, honestly. And take the leftover money and just build the other said car. But that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, peace out.